Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about Textbot. This is absolutely an amazing system that allows you to share anything that you're trying to sell or promote with your business. So one of the things maybe be an ebook, a website, a blog, maybe products, maybe j/V-Zoom, maybe ClickBank. It just depends what you're trying to do on the web, and I'd love to show you how a simple keyword and a phone number will allow you to keep track of that and get leads and sales to your business. So if you're looking for something like that, stay right here and let's watch the next video. Hey, it's Leah, and today I'm going to talk about Textbot. Imagine that. So I have quite a few people that ask me about training, and what businesses does this work for, and how do you use it? So I want to go ahead and give you a little bit of a demonstration, but as you can see here, if you come to Marketing with Leah, whatever, call me, you can see I have tons and tons of information on Textbot. You can use anything from drop cards to getting them to go to the text message, to a keyword, to solo ads. You can do all kinds of things. There's no limitation on this. And the number one thing I would highly suggest is get on YouTube. Right here is free traffic, and it's people looking for an opportunity to work from home, learn how to use SMS marketing, how to do texting, how to grow and expand their list. So this is a great way to learn all that type of information and get started. So let's go ahead and get started today. I'm going to show you about Textbot and some cool things. I think I'm going to do real estate today. So let's get started. All right, so I just jumped into Textbot. This is textbot.ai. This is the back office, and today I want to show you custom keywords. I use the heck out of these custom keywords, and it's absolutely amazing. It doesn't matter what business you have. If it's a window tinting business, if it's real estate, if it's insurance, if it's a dog business, if it's a product business, it does not matter. You have unlimited custom keywords with this program, and it's absolutely amazing. So as you can see, I do anything from houses to tell people about real estate, talk about health products, I talk about a blaster product, I talk about power lead system, I do a demo account, all kinds of things, billboards, classifieds. I do CBD oil. I talk about people who sell coffee. You need this program. So it truly doesn't matter what kind of business you have, you're going to want people to do this. So I constantly update and add to these keywords. So one of the things I would highly suggest, if you like doing this on your phone, absolutely great. So I did it on my computer. It's a little harder to use emojis, and so one of the things you can do is go directly on your phone, log in, and add emojis. So I will jump over to my emails and I'll show you what that looks like. Right here is my phone number with Textbot. So with Textbot, I am constantly testing. I highly suggest that. Otherwise, you're just putting a keyword out there and you're not even sure if it's going to go to somebody's phone. So here you can see I do all kinds of things, and I keep testing it until I have everything in that message that will work for me. So even like with this last one, I did houses because I like helping real estate agents understand you have unlimited keywords. So you can put in, maybe you're doing a showing at 1265 Sandalwood Court. What you can do is do an keyword and do 1265. Get people to learn more about that home, take them directly to your website, show them where they can get a hold of you. It gives them all this information, and if you put that at your showings, at the front of the house, on your website, or on your emails, it's a great way for people to really learn more on their time, because they don't want to be sold like a salesperson, and they will look and search and see all that information right there from that keyword and phone number. So right here you can see this is one that I did on my computer. I didn't have any emojis. Then I went ahead and just went to my phone and added emojis. So I'm going to test these out, see if people are like, I can't even read that, that's too many emojis, or add 1 or 2 instead of 5. I was trying to see if it really would come in to my texting and work just fine. So as you can see, you can add all types of emojis in there, make it fun, get people to really recognize what they see, make it totally different from any other text message that you would receive from your phone. But what I love about this is you can always add your website, phone number. They can go directly to your page. They can go to a website, to a blog, to a PDF, whatever you need. And this allows people to learn more about you. So here, even this one will take them directly to Textbot and teach them more about what is Textbot. What is this? And right here will be all the information. Not only does this give information about Textbot, it also gives my Facebook, my Twitter, and I can add more of that information if I like. I give you the 6 simple steps of what you need to do. So call the phone number, listen to the automated message, pay and set up your system, get a phone number, share your number, and get 100% peer-to-peer commissions. So if you're looking for a way to get cash flow into your business and make it 100% free, this is a perfect system to be able to learn the strategies of SMS texting and marketing. So right here, I'll give you tons of information. You get paid 8 different ways: Cash App, Vimeo, Google Pay, PayPal, Coinbase, Stripe, Zelle, and Apple Cash. So you get $100 direct to you. Right here, I just talk a little bit more about Abundance Network, what has changed. Here is all different kinds of ways to promote. You can share the phone number, solo ads, drop cards, postcards, social media, blogs, classifieds, and even create graphics to go directly on your page. So this is absolutely amazing. At the bottom of the page, you can reach me at this phone number, my email, Facebook, Twitter, and review my YouTube. So there's no reason why you couldn't reach out to me. So I always add that information directly in to my page. And I do have a system that will allow you to make pages so simple and easy that you can just plug them right in there and look professional. So now I want to be able to show you how easy it is to just make an image with a keyword and the phone number and get people to go directly to your phone number to learn more about you. All right, so I just jumped over to my Facebook page. My name is 𝗬𝗏, so stop over there and say hi. So one of the things I want to show you, you can do little messages like this and make them just do fun things. Or, and this is the one that I added the emojis to, so that makes it simple and easy, catch people's attention. And I will scroll down here, and you have tons of options. This is another business I do, and what it does is take them directly to the training. So text 386-518-0202 with the keyword PLS. That will send them all the information they need in order to get started and get into the free weekly trainings. So let's scroll down. I'm constantly making these. So I want people to go directly to that message that I can create in Textbot and be able to show how the product will work. So we're a little slow here. Let me pause for just a minute. Okay, and like I said, I do multiple businesses. So this one's SMS phone leads going together with TextBot. So you're going to text 386-518-0202 with the keyword blaster. And so I showed you how this one is back here. So blaster is back here. My trigger is 13. You never, ever know when anyone is looking at your business. So even though you think you're posting that and nobody's looking, this at least allows you to see that somebody is looking at that message. So all you have to do is keep posting. Right here, I do a little short video, and actually I think this is my YouTube, so it'll take you directly to, nope, I made this one. So text 386-518-0202, keyword blaster. Keep posting on your page. You do not know who is going to call or look at your information. Right here it shows you how you can get paid directly with TextBot. Still, I post 386-518-0202. This time they're going to do demo. They're going to get a different message each and every time that I post something. So I was trying to find the real estate one. I did find it earlier, but I do post a lot, so it doesn't look like that one's going to show up for me. But I will show you where I am using a program called Canva and creating these images and videos. All right, I use this called Canva, C-A-N-V-A, and this is absolutely amazing system. But right here you can see I do all kinds of things and post those. So here I talk about keywords and more keywords, and here's another keyword. So I never stop using these keywords. And right here's another keyword, 386-518-0202, keyword video. You never stop using your programs. And what I love about TextBot is you only need one person in order to get your money back into your pocket. So no matter what you're doing, if you're doing a business, if you're selling real estate, if you need insurance, anything that would need an image with a phone number and a keyword, this will allow you to do anything that is out there. So that's what I wanted to show you today. There is tons of information that I have and love sharing. So make sure that you subscribe and click on the bell. I'll see you next time. Appreciate your time. Wish you a great day, and bye for now.